If you've ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire and a cheap repair kit that just wouldn't seal, you already know how frustrating and honestly risky that situation can get. A bad kit doesn't just waste your money. It can leave you stranded when it matters most. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 tire repair kits that actually work in real-world conditions so you can pick the right one for your vehicle and avoid those costly mistakes. And real quick, if you want honest, no BS automotive gear reviews, hit subscribe. I've also dropped the best current deals for every kit in the description below, and if you're not sure which one fits your setup, comment your vehicle or situation, I'll help you choose the right one. Let's start with number 5, the ARB Speedy Seal Universal Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. This is a serious off-road grade kit built around durability first. You're getting a compact but extremely tough case loaded with high-quality self-vulcanizing repair cords, a hardened steel insertion tool, a re-aiming tool, lubricant, and spare valve components. The tools themselves are thick, weighty, and designed to handle aggressive punctures. This isn't the flimsy stuff you find in bargain kits. ARB also includes long-lasting sealing strings that are known for their ability to bond under pressure and heat, which is critical for larger tires and rugged terrain. Now here's where this really stands out. This kit is built for people who actually push their vehicles. If you're running off-road tires, trucks, or SUVs and you're miles away from help, this is the kind of reliability you want. The tools don't flex, the plugs hold under stress, and the whole setup feels like something a professional would trust. Compared to typical entry-level kits, this is a big step up in confidence and durability. The only downside is the price. It's higher than most, but you're paying for serious reliability. Moving to number 4, the Rhino USA Tire Repair Kit. This one strikes a really nice balance between quality and value. It comes in a rugged, organized case with a full set of tools including T-handle insertion and spiral probe tools, heavy-duty pliers, a pressure gauge, valve cores, and multiple plug types. The tools are made from solid steel with ergonomic grips, and everything feels well thought out, especially for roadside use where ease matters. Rhino USA also backs this with a lifetime warranty, which is something you don't see often at this price point. In real-world use, this kit is ideal for everyday drivers who still want something dependable. It's easy to handle, even if you're not super experienced, and the T-handle design gives you better leverage when dealing with stubborn punctures. This is what most people don't realize: a good handle design can make or break your repair experience. Compared to cheaper kits, this one is far more user-friendly and consistent. The minor drawback? The case can feel a bit tight once everything's packed back in, but that's a small trade-off for what you get. At number 3, the Auton Flat Tire Repair Kit. This is one of the most popular kits out there, and for good reason. It's a 68-piece setup that includes everything from heavy-duty steel tools to a wide variety of plugs, valve stems, caps, and even replacement needles. The tools are upgraded with a sandblasted finish to resist rust, and the T-handle design again gives you solid control. Auton also emphasizes universal compatibility, so it works across cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, you name it. Here's the thing: this kit punches way above its price. For the average driver, it delivers everything you need without overcomplicating things. It's reliable, versatile, and well-suited for both occasional use and emergency situations. If you're building a roadside kit and want something comprehensive without spending a lot, this is a smart pick. And this is important, the included plugs aren't quite as premium as higher-end kits, though they still get the job done effectively. Now we're getting into the top tier. Number 2 is the Kato Universal Tire Repair Kit. This one focuses heavily on build quality and long-term durability. You're getting refined high-strength steel tools with comfortable grips, a well-organized case, and a solid selection of repair strings designed for strong adhesion. Kato keeps things streamlined: no unnecessary filler tools, just the essentials done right. The materials feel premium, and the overall fit and finish is noticeably better than most mid-range kits. In practice, this is the kit you grab when you want reliability without overpaying for branding. It's especially good for daily drivers who want something dependable sitting in the trunk at all times. The tools feel confident in your hands, the plugs hold well, and the whole process is smooth even under pressure. Compared to bulkier kits, this one feels more refined and efficient. The only downside is that it doesn't include as many extras as some competitors, but honestly, most of those extras go unused anyway. And finally, number 1, the Tulux 50000 2L Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. This is the one I recommend to most people watching this video. It's a 35-piece kit that nails the balance between durability, simplicity, and real-world effectiveness. You get hardened steel tools with comfortable T-handles, a solid selection of repair plugs, and a compact, easy-to-store case. The tools are built to handle repeated use, and the plugs are thick and sticky enough to create a strong, lasting seal. Here's why this takes the top spot: it just works. Whether you're dealing with a nail puncture on a daily driver or a tougher situation on a truck tire, this kit delivers consistent results without overcomplicating the process. It's straightforward, reliable, and affordable, which is exactly what most drivers need. This is what most people don't realize: you don't need a massive kit, you need a dependable one. The only minor drawback is that the case isn't as rugged as premium options, but the tools themselves are what really matter. So here's the bottom line. If you're an off-road enthusiast or someone who demands maximum durability, the ARB kit is built for you. If you want a strong balance of quality and warranty support, Rhino USA is a great choice. For budget-conscious buyers who still want a complete setup, Auten delivers serious value. If you prefer a refined no-nonsense kit with premium feel, Kato is a smart pick. And if you want the best overall combination of reliability, ease of use, and price, Tulux is the one to beat. At the end of the day, every one of these kits solves the same problem, but not all of them do it with the same level of confidence. Choose based on how you drive, where you drive, and how much reliability you're willing to invest in. If this helped you out, make sure you subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews. Check the description for the latest deals on all these kits and drop a comment with your car or situation. I'll help you pick the right one.